Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, I come with a new project called Automation for Watering Irrigation System. This project is purposely for irrigation systems or places where you normally use normally use automatic water system, like in our gardens or in our irrigation, in our rice fields, etc. And it can play a very important role in terms of watering systems because it's work automatically without human interference, and especially like it can able to play also a very important role in our agricultural system, because today if you can able to implement so many irrigation system in our country by using this kind of automatic system, I think we can able to grow what we eat and eat what you grow. And this is a very important system which it gives me some time to think about it and compile some codes with Arduino environment and some devices together and able to come with a very important or useful project in our agricultural system. And here, these are the components I use. You can see this is LCD screen, and in the screen here you can see that the pump is off, and you can also see also the value of the sensor value. And this is the sensor, soil moisture sensor, and this is the Arduino, and this is the relay where you can connect your pump, and this is the program itself. Now here, let me just go straight and explain how the system work. You can see if this sensor feel the dryness of the soil, it will automatically turn on the pump, the water. It will automatically turn on the water pump, and so that the pump can start watering. And until this sensor also feel that the soil moisture is too wet, and it will automatically turn off the pump, which means that the work has an automatic system. There is no need for any human interference. In your presence or your absence, as much as you install this thing in your irrigation, in your rice field where you normally use irrigation systems, you can turn it to automatic system, or in your garden also where you need watering system, you can make it as an automatic water system by easily watering your garden without any other problem, which means that in your absence or your presence, it can able to water the systems fine without any other problem. And the system also is not very expensive because I use Arduino environment. And even if you want to use like 3-phase machine or single-phase machine, it will be very easy again, because there are also some devices you will just communicated with the Arduino, and it can able to work easily without any other problem. So right now, the sensor here is feeling the dryness of the soil. That is the reason you will see here this relay is on. And if you look at the screen here again, sorry, I think you have seen it here. If you look at the screen here again, the pump is on, and the sensor value equals to 1020. And the moment it's feel also the dryness of the soil, this value, that value also will be going to reduce maybe up to 200 to something, and this pump also will be automatically off because the sensor here will be feeling the wetness of the soil. So that is the reasons I will use this cup of water to do some demonstrations so that you can able to see exactly how the systems work. But as I was saying, right now the sensor here is feeling the dryness of the soil. That is the reasons this pump is on. But the moment it feels the wetness of the soil, then it will automatically turn off the pump. So let us go and see. You see, you can see I put it inside the cup of water, and you see the relay is off. And come here, you see here also the pump is off, and the sensor value equals to 277 or 78 is fluctuating anyway. So that is exactly the way the moment I remove it again, it will be on. You see this pump is on, and the value also remain the same, and the pump here again is on. So let me go back again. You see, yes, the pump is off and the value also reduced. This is automatic watering irrigation system. Automatic watering irrigation systems, it will going to play a very important role in our agricultural system, so that we can able to grow what we eat or eat what you grow. Is very important to keep in mind about this kind of systems, so that it can easily make our work easily, and the labor also cost will be reduced. The only disadvantage it will have, it will also always, automation always fight, always reduce the employment rate because of all these things. Because as I was saying, if at all you were using, if at all you have garden an example, and there is nothing like automatic watering system, maybe you will employ somebody who will going to do the watering, right? And you need to pay that person money. But as much as you have garden example and install or implement this system into your garden, there is nothing like to employ anybody, because the system will be work automatically without any other problem, and it will work fine. It will even work better than human being, because human may have mistakes, and maybe they can may step on some how to say it, they can may step a places where they don't need to step on. But here it's just system. You'll just fix the system and run your pipe. That's it, and it will work fine without any other problem. So this is what I have for you today, and inshallah we still bring more project to the society, which is going to be very useful for the society as well. Assalamu alaikum. Wish you all the best.